Over 10 years ago, an idea was born right here on Kickstarter. We called it the Tablift. Hundreds of thousands have discovered the freedom of hands-free living, streaming, cooking, working, and living comfortably with their tablets. Along the way, Tablift earned multiple patents, awards, and recognition across top media platforms. But we knew we could do even better. Driven by feedback and inspiration, we reimagined what's possible. Now, it's time for the next generation of hands-free freedom. Introducing the all-new Tablift MaxPro, engineered to hold all tablets, and now all phones and e-readers at any angle, on any surface. The Tablift MaxPro lets you instantly find your perfect viewing position, turning your relaxation time into pure comfort. No more awkward positions, no more tired arms, just hands-free, stress-free enjoyment of your favorite content. In the kitchen, space is gold, and Tablift MaxPro gives you more space to create. Elevate your recipes closer to eye level, keeping your tablet clean and clear of spills. Boost your productivity by transforming your tablet into the perfect second screen, right at eye level. With Tablift MaxPro, productivity becomes natural, comfortable, and incredibly efficient. Make your video calls more natural, expressive, and engaging. With Tablift MaxPro, you can connect comfortably, freeing your hands to speak as naturally as if you're face-to-face. Bring clarity and ease to your fitness routine. Clearly follow along with yoga and exercise classes, hands-free and perfectly positioned so you can focus on your practice. Experience reading the way it should be, effortlessly comfortable and completely hands-free. Keep your device exactly where you want it, while you relax, sip, and enjoy your favorite stories. A 5-angle adjustment mechanism allows you to achieve your perfect view every time. Tablift MaxPro offers universal compatibility, effortlessly fitting tablets, and now phones and e-readers with or without cases. Its patented holding mechanism instantly adapts to provide a perfect, secure fit for any device, from the largest tablets to the smallest phones. Built from premium materials and components and precision engineered, the Tablift MaxPro is designed to last a lifetime. Soft-touch silicone contact surfaces gently grip your device, keeping it secure, stable, and scratch-free. Tablift MaxPro is now available in 3 bold colors to perfectly match your style: midnight black, fiery red, and cool white. When you're done, fold it up compactly, perfect for easy storage or travel. Whether you're relaxing with a show, cooking in the kitchen, heads down with work, breaking a sweat, or unwinding with a book, Tablift MaxPro adapts perfectly to your lifestyle every day. The Tablift MaxPro is manufacturer ready now. Get your own by becoming a backer today.